Push it down!
Yeah, it's push it down.
No. There you go. You can take second wheel.
You're good. Good boy. Good boy. I wonder if it'll chase me on this.
That's a truck I want to buy right there. The 99 Chevy Z71 step side. Full drive. It's got the only locking differential in the front end, so both front tires will spin in the mud.
What do you think I'm afraid
It's afraid of everything.
He's still in second gear.
I know. He'll get faster. I told him to stay in second gear.
Oh.
Yeah. God!
What, you thought he was hit it?
There he goes! There he goes!
Dylan, pull it up. Dylan.
Yeah, they are.
They are.
Alright, come on. Do it again. Let's go.
It's taking quite a while to pick all those out.
Crank it up. You ain't got your hand on the brake, do you? There you go. Come on. Brake. Gear. Come on, you got it. The idle's got to go up
Put it in
on it.
neutral again.
I gotta figure out how to adjust the idle.
Okay. You are
What?
orange.
Change gears!
He's gonna blow that thing.
Well, he's not going fast enough to get the RPM yet. I just didn't like him going in between that.
I can't miss.
Thought he could put the right turn.
Push it down again.
It's not running right. Maybe the carburetor needs to be cleaned out or something. Come on, faster! Pull it up as many times as you can. You gotta remember, Dylan, how many times you go down, you gotta come back up. Huh? I told you to put pants on.
If I had pants, it'd be even worse.
Told you to put pants on.
Hey,
How's it feel?
where is it? It hurt.
Well, you lost this already.
Alright.
That's it?
Give me a headache.
So now you scared of it now?
Obviously.
Huh?
Obviously.
Yeah, you just gotta get used to it. You got one on your shoulder.